Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, remember, Binance just burned about a little bit over 1.6 billion coins. Now, the total value of this burning is $52.5 million. Wow! In 1 month, okay, Binance were able to burn Terra Classic worth of $52.5 million. You see, this is as much as people are really supporting to see LUNC being destroyed. $52.5 million is a lot of money. Okay, it's a lot of cash. So I believe soon we'll be recording over 100 million. Now assume Binance are just burning 50% from the 1.2% tax bond, and they have just said soon they will start burning fully 100%, which will help Terra Classic to destroy and to burn more coins. But I'm happy that LUNC was able to burn over $50 million worth of Terra Classic LUNC. So people are willing to burn more, and I still believe, like I normally said before, if we can get these top holders of Terra Classic coming out to burn some percentage, or let's say even though it's just 10 or 20% of their holding, Terra Classic can record over $1 to $5 billion worth of Terra Classic coin that will be destroyed within a short period of time. So if the developers, if you ask me, I've been saying this before, that they need to ask, they know the some of the wallet that have the top holding, maybe preach this gospel of let's support the burning of LUNC. If you can burn at least 5% or even 2% or 3% of your holding, especially the top holders, this will help. A lot of people will engage in this. A lot of people will burn. They will support this plan, and before you know it, LUNC will destroy a lot of coins. What is holding Terra Classic back right now is the supply. Once Terra Classic is able to burn out more than half of its supply, Terra Classic hitting 10 cents is possible. Hitting $1 is possible if LUNC burn over 5 trillion coins. Okay, but right now it is not possible. With the rate of coins they have, with the current price, and also with the trading volume and market cap they have, it will be difficult for Terra Classic to burn such amount of coins or reach $1 or 10 cents. But let's still believe, I believe that yes, before the end of the year, anything can happen. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.